Feel comfortable, have a seat.
Thutha wa gwikara heho-ini kwa ihinda ria mieri kenda, agwirwo ni ithanwa ria muthinikirio wa mogaruruku utongoria-ini maria matindikiririo ni mumo Minister wa tene wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha, uria President William Ruto endekithitie akorwo ari murugamiriri wa Kenya ruhonge-ini rwa ngwataniro ya urumwe wa mabururi rwa guikaro, amurikitwo o ringi kamiti ya ugacaro na maundu ma nja wa bururi igithurima wagiriru wake wa guikarira giturwa giki.
Indeed, you did well in the ministry. Save for the politics, I think Ministry of Health is a hotbed of politics. But nonetheless, I like your courage and your resilience.
One of the biggest lessons that I drew at the Ministry of Health is on crisis management. That what one needs to do during a crisis.
Uthurimi-ini uyu Nakhumicha uria wari gacumbiri-ini ga utongoria wa Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hindi ya thuguri ya neti cia mosquito ya muigana wa ciringi birioni 3.7 niehereirie uria wari munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ucuke uria atemaniirio cira-ini wa kumuhagura. Hindi iyo Rigathi erirwo ati ahuthirire giturwa giake gukigamia thuguri ino iheo kambuni ya Murio, undu uria Nakhumicha augite ati waya gukorwo ndwari wa ma.
Chair, on the last question, whether the former Deputy President did influence. At the point while I was serving chair, and with the information that I was given, his involvement was not there. I got to learn of his involvement when the House was going through the impeachment process. That is how I got to learn that most likely he had been. But as I served, I was not aware of that. Thank you, Chair.
Thitango ya Rigathi gutobokia ndwara ciake gitowero-ini gia thuguri ino niguo aconithie ciana ciake yatemanirio ni mutongoria wa mubango wa kumuhagura Ecomas Mutuse na gikindirwo ni uira wa commission ya kurwa na ungumania na urugamiriri wa tene wa KEMSA. Barothi mwamure wa Kenya Kinshasa Engineer Peter Tum uria utungatite ministry-ini inya ta mwandiki mukaru ni ateteire utungata wake akinyitirira ati ni ehariirie kurunga ndugu ya Kenya na DRC. Aria angi mahungitwo ni hamwe na ndagitari Caroline Karugu uria wamuritwo ta mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya urumwe wa mabururi ma Afrika ya irathiro na Judith Pareno uria wamuritwo ta mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa uthingatithia wa kihoto na watho.
You are all men and women of great experience, and I do hope to tap into your experience and expertise to ensure that this State Department delivers for Kenya.
I am here because I want to serve without fear of pressure, without fear of interference, but to do that which is right before the law.
I believe that I have the right qualification, the right experience, the right attitude for me to be able to undertake this position that I have been kindly nominated by His Excellency the President.
Kamiti ino inyitirire ati ndiguthambiria President William Ruto andu mena maroro igititirithia ati aria othe mendekithitio kunyitirira iturwa itiganite meguthurimwo na kinyi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma bunge-ini ya bururi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.